Good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, your screen is looking
Good
so
morning, ma'am.
blurred.
Let me check. Let everyone join. Let me check. Yes, students, please check my screen.
No, ma'am,
Ma'am,
it's
it's
not
now it's
blurred.
perfect.
Clear.
No, ma'am.
Bacha, it's
Ma'am,
coming
ma'am,
clear.
can I rejoin?
Yeah, rejoin fast. Varenya, if you also feeling any blur kind of screen? No. Okay, thank you. Okay, students, so very good morning to all of you. As you all
Good morning.
know, yeah, as you all know that we have completed the 5 chapters. Now, which chapter we will start?
Junk
Chapter number
seller.
6, Junk Seller.
Which chapter, Muhammad, we will start?
Seller. Chapter
7.
number 6.
Chapter number 6. Yes? Mute your mic. We are going to start the chapter number 6. Meet, what is the name of the chapter? Meet, what is the name of the chapter?
Ma'am, junk seller.
Arnav Desai, what do you mean by the word? Who are the junk sailors?
The wasted thing, the junks, they sell the junk
Hmm.
sellers.
Kush Desai,
Yes, ma'am.
why the name of this chapter is junk sailor? What are we going to learn in this chapter?
Ma'am, we are going to learn multiplication.
Multiplication, addition, we are going to do the calculation. So,
Yes.
Prayag, why the
Yes,
name
ma'am.
of this chapter in this mathematics there is a need to write the name of the chapter junk sailor? Why there is a need like this?
Because there was a girl who did not like maths, but she told that the maths is very important nowadays.
Hmm. So for
Chapter
the
is about
still, hmm.
the
Tell
chapter
me
is about all the multiplication. We learn
the
till 20. So we have
chap.
to get the proper multiplication to do
Ye-
our calculation very faster.
yes. Mihir, please remove this background.
Yes, ma'am.
So, the name of this chapter, Bhakti, turn on your camera. Janya, Rishik, Dheer, turn on your camera, please. Turn on your camera, Dheer, Rishik, Janya, Bhakti, Rishik. Yes. So, the name of the chapter is Junk Sailor. The name of the chapter is Junk Sailor because the and why it is in your mathematics book, because don't think that maths will never help you. Maths needs for the small work. Now you say no, junk sailor is a very small job, but even though for them also the calculations are very very important, है ना? That is the name. That is why the name of this chapter is junk sailor, and that is why the name chapter is in your mathematics books. So you will practically see how much the junk sailor also struggle, how much they also should have a knowledge of a mathematics. For them also, at least this much knowledge is required for the running the business of a junk sailor. So now I'm going to. What is the work of the junk sailor, Kiana? If you have at your home some old newspapers, some bottles, some empty bottles, some cardboards, so where you will go to give?
To junk sailor.
Yeah. And what is the Hindi name of junk sailor? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, I.
Yes, Kush Desai.
Ma'am,
Yes,
kabadi.
yes, Meet. Kabadi wala.
Yes, ma'am, kabadi wala.
And what here in Gujarat also we call them what? Who will tell me? Yes, Yuk Surana.
Ma'am, bhangar.
Hmm. We call them Bhangar wala.
Bhangar.
Ma'am, bhangar wala
So
hai.
don't think any work is small or any work is big. Everywhere the intelligence is required. Here also, if they are good in mathematics, then only they will able to run the business of even if a Bangar wala business also. So no business is small or no business is big. Now open your page number 60. This is the page number 60. Have you ever met a kabari wali, a woman who sells junk? See, it can be women also, it can be men also, because nowadays every work all our women are also doing. This is a true story by Kiran, who has a junk shop in Patna. So this is a true story which is given in your textbooks. I study in Hindi medium school. This woman is saying about telling her story that I studied in Hindi medium school in my village. My father wanted girls to study like boys. I love Hindi and science, but I hated maths. So she was thinking that okay, I will not learn maths. I'm hating maths. But today, maths is most useful for my work. She say if I will not learn the math, so I will not able to do the simple calculations also. I would never imagine this in school. If she would have imagined in the school that life is going to be very tough and it still she should know this simple calculation of mathematics, then it will really help her that time. So now she is realizing that maths is very much useful. So, what about you? Do you also find that maths is difficult, students?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No.
Because you are
No.
practically doing and practically learning, so it is very much important. At least you should know the basics of
Yes.
mathematics. What is the most difficult thing in your mathematics book, students? Can you tell me any chapter, any topic which is most difficult for you?
Nothing, ma'am.
Not, nothing, ma'am.
Okay.
Nothing, ma'am.
What do you think is the easiest lesson?
Ma'am, no.
Ma'am, all the chapters.
All the chapters are easy.
All are easy.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Multiplication, you know.
When I was young, my father died in an accident. This girl is, please mute your mic, Arna. Someone mic is on.
Ma'am, Mir
Meeru
Virani, my.
When I was young, my father died in an accident, so my mother worked as a servant in home houses. Now, children, see, when there is only one person in the family to earn, right? At that also, with that person also, some casualty is happening. Yeah, because you can see in the story also that the father died. So, what happened? The burden of earning came on the family. Now, mother is also doing work in the other houses as a servant, and then she is earning. So it was very difficult time with her. We had a difficult time and I had to leave school after class 8. So sometime this happened with different persons also. There is one or the other story with the person. Don't think why they are not studying. Maybe something wrong, something there is a problem with them. That's why they are not able to continue their studies. So here also she dropped her studies at the eighth class 8th. Why she dropped? Can you all tell me why she dropped the studies? Why she is not has not continued her studies? Yes, please tell me. Who will tell me? Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Varenya.
Ma'am, because it was a difficult time for her and her mother because her father died and there was one person to just make money. So she left her school and started helping her mom.
Very good, very good. So you all are practically seeing that. Let me take the attendance for a minute.
Ma'am, can I tell the other reason?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, because her mother thinks that we have to give money to school also for her
Hmm.
studies. So our house will be uh, not be perfect. So So she left the school because they have to give money to the school.
And
Yes.
ma'am, can I tell the another reason?
Yes, Priya.
Ma'am, because of her father died and mother has to do alone the work, and she has to pay the school fees and the electric fees.
Everything,
That's
yes.
why her mother took out her from the school.
Yeah. So because everything, the whole burden has come on the mother now to earn, to feed the student, their children. Feed means उनको खाना खिलाना के लिए पैसा चाहिए. To for the studies, the mother has to earn. So all the burden has to come on the mother, and even to look after the family also, and at home also. So what happened? It happened in many of the places in villages. Then the senior child or the child who is elder from the up, all the students, from all the children, the child who is elder has to leave the studies. Okay, उसको छोड़ना पड़ जाता है किसी ना किसी प्रॉब्लम की वजह से. So now my husband family lived in now what happened, mother ने उसकी भी शादी करा दी, mother got me married. My husband family lived in a mud house. Now children see उसकी जो after marriage also that family also not very much well settled family. They were living in the उसकी husband family was living in a mud house. If you remember, you have learned in the EVS, you are learning no different type of houses.
Yeah,
Kacha
ma'am.
house, pakka house.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
mud
Ma'am,
house.
but in our maths book, the first chapter.
Yes, mud house is the which house? Is a kacha house or a pakka house?
Ma'am, it's a
Kacha.
kacha house. Kacha house.
Kacha house. So
Wow.
they don't have a proper house also,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
The family which she got married there, that family is also not having a proper house. They were living
Yes,
in a
ma'am.
kacha house.
Yes,
His
ma'am.
two brothers and his sisters did not go to school, and his husband family also, they are not well educated. His two brother and sister are also not going to school. They are running a tea stall. He had a tea stall. They're running a tea stall. Tea stall means what they are running, what they're
Ma'am,
selling.
chai.
That which they
Chai
Yeah,
and coffee.
tea and
They
coffee chai.
sell the tea and get money.
shop.
Okay, very good. They sell the tea and coffee, and this is the way they are earning, and then they are living the life. Now ask people. Now ask people means from you only. I will ask that find out the cost of a cup of a tea at a tea stall. You children, tell me what is the price of a cup of a tea at
Ma'am,
a tea
10
stall?
rupees.
10
10.
rupees.
Okay, and at hotel. Okay, at a hotel.
Ma'am,
25.
25.
Okay.
25.
But okay, some are saying 20, 25. So tea stall it is 10 and the hotel it is 20, 25.
25.
Why there is, Deer will tell me why there is a difference of price. Deer,
Yes,
why
ma'am.
that tea stall the tea is cheap compared to the tea at in hotel?
Um, ma'am, I don't know actually.
Okay. Here, can you explain me why टी स्टॉल पे जो टी है वो कम प्राइस पे होती है और होटल में टी जो है वो ज्यादा प्राइस पे होती है?
I also don't know.
You also don't know.
Ma'am, can
Can
I
you?
tell?
No, the Mir Virani will tell me. Mir Virani, yes, please. Why it is happening? Why tea at the tea stall is cheap, or we can say it has lower price compared to the tea in the hotel?
Ma'am, ma'am, in the hotel, because of the future is going. So one time they tell our tea quality is very fine. So that's why we sell the ma'am in hotel. One time I ask no.
Mm-hmm.
So the chef says our tea quality is very good. So we sell in more price.
Okay. Yes, Priya, you please explain me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, at tea stall they sell only tea. So it is lower. And in hotel they sell food and water sometimes, everything. So it is higher price.
Okay. Yes, Yuksurana.
Ma'am, because the tea seller only gives us the uh, tea and sometimes the biscuits, but the hotel, they say that we make a tea better than that tea stall, and they give the biscuit.
Okay. Yes,
Ma'am, can I
Varanya.
tell you another thing?
Wait. Yes, Varanya.
Ma'am, the expenses are different
Yes.
because the um the hotel serves more more expensive things, and the way the tea staller makes, it is not too expensive, and even we have to buy the biscuits. They'll not give it at free, but in the tea stall they'll give something and something free.
Hmm. So the very good word you have used, the expenses, right? Mute yourself, Mohammed. Expenses. Hotel is charging the expenses. They are coming, giving you in a proper cup plate, right? Neatly, and everything is expensive in the hotels because they give you the proper neatness and everything, right? But when you go to the tea stall, they will not give you in a cup and plate. They will just give you in a use and throw glass, right? And they the hospitality there which they are serving you, giving you, is more higher or costly in the hotel compared to the tea stalls. Got it, everyone?
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
why the tea cost is cheaper in the tea stalls and it is costly in the hotels.
Okay.
Now go to the next. If a person who runs a tea, mute yourself, please.
Can I go to washroom?
Yes, please. If a person who runs a tea stall earn rupees 30 in a day, how much will he earn in 10 days? Please write the answer in the
300,
chat.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Write the
300.
answer in the chat box. Meer Virani, Dheer, Kheer, Vananya, Varija, everyone, please write Janya. Write the answer in the chat box. One day, 30, 10 days will be how much? 300. 30 multiplied by 10 will be 300. And one day, 30, and how much in 1 month? If suppose in a 1 month there are 30 days. In 1 month is how much? 30 multiplied by 30. 3 multiplied by 3.
900.
Yeah. 900. Very good. Dirg is writing 3000, which will be wrong, Dirg. Please take care, Dirg. So it is written here in a month. In a month, if there are 30 days, so 30 multiplied by 30 will be 900. How did you get the answer discussed? So how did you get the answer, students? By?
By
Multiplication.
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 Okay. I thought of starting my own business. I thought I should open a bangle shop or a tailor shop, but my uncle said that we could earn a lot by opening a junk shop. So she decided to open the junk shop. Let it go. Hmm. We took a loan of now opening a junk shop. So to start any business or to buy anything, if you don't have money, what you will do, students? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
we
we take
take a
loan
loan.
from bank.
We take loan
Ma'am,
from
we
bank.
took a loan.
Yes, you
From
take a
bank.
loan.
Loan.
and we have to pay that cost in 6 months.
It is not compulsory to start any business. If you don't have money, you will take a loan means what? We have to borrow a money from someone, or we can borrow from the bank. We can borrow from the person also. There are persons, they are called money lenders, who give them. Virani, let me complete the topic and then I will answer you. Money lenders are the persons who give us the money and they charge some amount and they give us for example, bank also give us the loan. For example, Jania want to buy a car and Jania is not having money to buy a car. Jania, what you will do?
I will take it from bank.
You will take it from bank. So what is the age limit of taking the money from the bank, Jania?
It
Jania, you will go and they will give you money.
No, we have to take loan.
Loan, so you will take. Loan is what? Loan is the money taken from the bank, no? Dheer, you tell me. Wait a minute, mute your mic. Dheer, you will go to the bank and bank will give you loan.
No, ma'am. We have to, like, I want 1 lakh loan. So I want to give them a card, a report of car or something else.
Yes. So first of all, there is a age limit. You cannot go as a children. Bill, yes, Yuksurana.
ma'am, it's of 18 plus.
Yes, 18 plus only will get the loan, right? And loan can be of anything. Suppose if you want to do a higher studies, then your parents will take the loan for your higher education, right? Parents only will take because you are still young. Only 18 प्लस जो 18 साल से ऊपर हो जाएंगे उसी को ही लोन मिलता है. और लोन भी ऐसे ही नहीं मिलता है. You have to keep some security papers to the bank. For example, आपको house loan लेना है, house लेने के लिए, and if you already have a car, so you keep the, yes, Priya.
If we have to take loan, first we have to give the same amount of our thing.
Yes.
If my car is the 6,000 and I have to buy a house, so I have to give to them.
Then we have to fill it little by little, time by time.
And not fill.
But
we have to pay.
have to give the paper of that thing, not that thing.
Yeah, we have to give the paper of that thing. And it is to be equally amount. For example, if you want to buy 1 lakh loan, if you want to take a loan of 1 lakh rupees, so you should have another thing of rupees 1 lakh and you need to keep that thing as a security to the bank, right? For example, you have gold of rupees 1 lakh, but you don't have cash. But to buying a house, you need a cash. So what you do, you keep the gold papers or a gold of 1 lakh as a security in the bank, and bank will give you 1 lakh rupees as a cash. So that 1 lakh you will pay for the house. It should, the value which you are keeping as a security, it should be, it should match the value which you are borrowing, right? The loan which you are taking. It is not like this ki you want 1 lakh, but you are keeping the papers or as a security of rupees 10,000. Will the bank give you? कोई आपको देगा? नहीं देगा. आपने सिक्योरिटी पेपर्स तो 10,000 के रखे हैं, अब वो लोन आपको 1 लाख का चाहिए. इन केस आप वो 1 लाख रुपीस नहीं दे पाते हो, तो who is the defaulter ना? Then bank will take from whom? अगर आप सपोज वो 1 लाख रुपीस लोन नहीं दे पाते हो किसी भी रीजन की वजह से, तो बैंक क्या करती है? बैंक जो 1 लाख सिक्योरिटी रखी है वो टेक ओवर कर लेती है. पर सिक्योरिटी अगर आप 10,000 की रखोगे तो will it be possible the bank is going to give you 1 lakh rupees?
No, ma'am. They will give us 10,000 only.
Yes. the security and the loan amount should match. Value of the security,
Yes,
जो भी
ma'am.
आपने चीज, if you are keeping the security car papers, so आपके जितना कार की वैल्यू है आपको लोन उतना ही मिलेगा, उससे ज्यादा नहीं मिलेगा. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
So yes, so you all are clear that whenever we don't have money and we borrow money from money lenders or from bank is called the loan. So here also, this Kiran, she was not having a money to run the business. So she has taken amount of loan 8,000 rupees for to start a shop. So she has taken the 8,000 rupees from the bank. Have you ever heard of someone taking a loan for what? Children, this will be your answer. If you have heard that your parents have taken a loan for anything, please write the name. Yes, Meer Virani.
Ma'am, my grandpa take a loan yesterday only.
For what?
Of 2 lakh.
For what?
From for our house. For our house.
House. So you will write for house. You can write here in the first.
Yes, ma'am. For house and my grandpa give them our farm papers.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, Prayag.
Ma'am, I heard my parents taken loan of 26 lakh in Mumbai. So,
For what thing?
for our house in
Okay.
Mumbai.
So these
Sorry,
the blanks.
Ma'am.
So the blanks which are given, no, this will be your individual answer. Okay. So please fill. If you have taken a loan, please write for what thing you have taken, how much loan has taken. You have to write the price, amount, and how much money was paid back. See, now if you are taking a loan from a bank or from any person, you have to repay it after some time. Sometime the person says, okay, after 1 month, or a bank says after 1 month you have to pay. After 6 months you have to pay. So you have to fill a form also that after some time I have to pay back also. And in that form you have to write the time period also. It can be 1 year, it can be 6 months, it can be number of, it depend on the loan. And when you repay it, you have to pay some extra amount of on that. That is called the interest. कोई भी आपको पैसा अपना निकाल के ऐसे नहीं दे देगा, right? The extra amount which you pay on your loan is called the interest. Got it? When you go in higher grades, you will learn how to find the interest according to the percentage given. Sometimes bank charge 6%, 5%, 8%, depend on bank to bank and depend on loan to loan, right? But right now, if I am telling you that, for example, Prayag has taken a loan of...
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you explain which you have showed to us now?
Yeah, I'm explaining, again. Suppose Prayag has taken rupees 8,000 as a loan. This is the loan amount. And loan amount is called the borrowed amount also. Borrowed amount means आपने borrow किया है. Borrowed amount. And this is also called the principal amount. It is not the principal of school. This is the amount which you have borrowed. Got it? This is the principal amount. This is not the principal of school. The amount which you borrow is called the principal amount. Okay. So this is the amount, the original amount he borrowed. But after some time, he is paying to the bank as 8,500. So how much is the interest which is included in the 8,500?
Ma'am, 500.
500. So if I tell you, suppose if I tell you fine, and one is the total amount, is called the total amount. So total amount you are paying principal plus interest, that is 8,000 plus 500 interest you are paying. So what is the total amount now you are paying? 8,000.
8,500.
500.
8,500.
8,500.
Okay. And suppose now if you have, wait, if you know the you need to find out what is the principal amount, means what is the borrowed amount, and you know that the total amount you are going to pay after the interest is also included in this, that is 8,500. This is the total amount. Total amount is 8,500 and 500 is the interest included in this. So when you subtract the 500 from this, you will get what? The borrowed amount.
8,000 borrowed amount.
8,000.
Is called the principal amount. Right. Now, if you have total amount 8,500, you have the principal amount 8,000. How you will find the interest? What is the interest? What is the interest in this? You have total amount. Yes, Laisha.
Then 500.
Yes. 8,500 is the total amount. In total
Minus-
amount, always the interest is included. So when you from 8,500, when you subtract
Minus
the borrowed
8,000.
amount, you will able to get the interest amount. Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Priyag will give me one example. Priyag, give me one example. How much loan you have taken?
I have taken loan of 10,000.
So the borrowed amount, the principal amount, we write the short form for borrowed amount or the principal amount P. So the P is, what is the amount you have taken?
10,000, ma'am.
So I will write the rupees sign, then I will write 10,000 rupees he had borrowed. And the bank told you that you have to pay some interest. Tell me the interest also.
800, ma'am.
800 is the interest. So can you tell me what is the amount or the total? It can be amount or total amount, we can say. What is the total amount he is going to pay?
10,000.
Yes, Janya. What is the
10,000.
total amount?
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait, Janya will tell me. Janya, what is the total amount he is going to pay after the after 6 months or after 3 months? जो उसने बोरो किया उसको वो तो पे करना ही है.
8,500.
No, now it is 10,000. He has, for example, he borrowed 10,000 from the bank and 800 is the interest on 10,000. So how much total amount he will pay to the bank now?
Ma'am, 1,000 rupees.
How, bacha? Kush, how much he will pay? We left them here. How much he will pay? How much he will pay here? Here, how much he will pay?
Ma'am, can I say Yug?
Yes, Yug.
Ma'am, 10,800.
Yes, 10,008. Bhakti, how much he will pay, Priyag, to the bank? Bhakti, how much Priyag will pay to bank? 10,000 तो he had borrowed, वो तो पे करना ही करना है, plus interest उसको 800.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Laisha.
Ma'am, it will be the answer 10,000 and 800.
Okay, we will. Janya, the way you are writing is wrong, bacha. 10,800 we write like this. When you add 10,000 plus 800, it will like this. 10,800. Got it? Continue. We will do this more exercises in the next classes. Okay, students? Thank you. Thank you for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.